In this lesson, we will learn what is Unity and why use it. Let's dive into what Unity is and why it is such a powerful tool for game development. Unity is a cross-platform game engine used to create 2D and 3D games for various platforms, including PC, mobile, and console. It was first released in 2005 and has become one of the most popular game engines in the world. Some of the biggest games in recent years, such as Among Us, Fall Guys, and Cuphead, were made using Unity. So why use Unity for game development? Here are just a few reasons. First, cross-platform support. One of the biggest advantages of using Unity is that it allows you to develop games for multiple platforms at once. This means you can create games that works on PC, mobile, and console with a single code base, saving a lot of time and effort. Second, easy to learn. Unity has a user-friendly interface and a large community of developers who share tutorials, resources, and support. This means that even if you have no prior game development experience, you can quickly learn how to use Unity and start creating your games. Third, powerful tools. Unity has various tools and features that make game development easier and more efficient. For example, the Unity Asset Store lets you quickly find and import pre-made assets, such as character models, sound effects, and UI elements, into your game. In the next lesson, we will learn how to download and install Unity.